Let's talk about text functions. In this example, I will show you how to use left, mid, and right text functions. Let's say we have here on the left a list of contact numbers, and we need to display each part of the contact number in three separate columns. Starting on the left column, let's say I need the first four digits of the contact number. In order to do that, we can simply type equal left on cell C3 and then use open parentheses. You will notice that left function contains two syntax, that is text and number of characters. Text means the given contact number, comma. Number of characters means the total number of characters that you want to cut on the left side of the contact number. Let's say I need the first four digits, so from the left, it will count four digits or four text values. Just type number 4 and then close parentheses. Press enter and then autofill. Excel will display the first four digits of the contact number given. Next, how about if we need the mid three digits of this contact number? We can actually use equal mid function. Mid stands for middle. So we have mid, and we have here three syntax for the mid function. Let's start with text. Text is the given contact number, comma. Start num is the starting point where you want to cut your data. Will not start on the left side. You will define it based on the number of characters. If I need 4 on 497, the given contact number as my starting point, count the number of characters starting from the left side of the contact number. So we have 0935 dash and then 4. We include all special characters whenever we use mid, left, or right function. In this case, if I need to start with number 4, let me type number 6. That means the sixth character of the contact number is my starting point. Type comma. How many characters do you need from that sixth character? Starting on that sixth character, type number 3 to define 497. And that's it. Close parenthesis, press enter, and then autofill. Next, I need to display the last four digits of this contact number. So how do we do that? Type equal right, open parenthesis, text means the contact number given, comma, and type number 4 to define the last four digits available in this contact number. So press enter and then drag it down. Excel will automate display the last four digits of this contact number. We have on the left the first four digits, the mid three digits, and right the last four digits of the contact number. And that is where we can use the function left, mid, and right in Excel. That's it for this text function.